It's 2 in the morning and the deploy is stuck on a single table. You're the one who gets paged when writes the start timing out. 3 years ago, you built an index for a report nobody ever ran twice. It looked harmless then. A few extra bytes per row. The query it served got replaced within a month. Nobody deleted the index. Nobody even remembered it existed. It just sat there, quietly indexing every single insert. Every write to that table paid a small, invisible tax. For years, that tax was too small to notice. The table grew. The tax grew with it. Traffic doubled. Then it doubled again. Nobody looked at index usage stats. There was no reason to. Dashboards showed CPU, memory, request time. Not this. The index was invisible in every metric that mattered. Then, a marketing campaign pushed 10 times the usual signups. Write volume spiked overnight, and so did lock contention. Insert queries that took 10 milliseconds started taking 2 seconds. You're staring at a query plan you haven't touched in years. 6 indexes on one table. You built 2 of them. You don't remember what the third one does. You run a usage query against the database catalog. One index has a scan count of 0. Since creation, 0 reads, thousands of writes every single day. It never once helped a query find anything. It only ever slowed down every insert that touched that row. You feel something between relief and embarrassment. Relief because now you know what's breaking. Embarrassment because you built it. You open a ticket, drop unused index. 1 line. Someone on the team asks if it's safe to remove. Nobody can say for certain. That's the real problem. You check the query logs for 90 days back. Nothing. Not one query plan ever chose it. You run the drop command on a quiet Tuesday afternoon. Write latency drops within minutes, not hours. Minutes. The insert queue that had been backing up starts draining. CPU usage on the write replica falls by a fifth. Nobody throws a party. It's just a graph looking healthier. You write a post-mortem. Section 4 is about unused indexes. You add a query to the weekly maintenance script. It checks for 0 scan indexes older than 30 days. 3 more turn up within the first month. None of them are dramatic. All of them cost something. The index you built 3 years ago is gone now. Just a line in a Git log.